So I decided that we do a cottage pie. It's nice, it's got that creamy mash on the top and the lovely mince at the bottom with the vegetables. You're gonna start with the mince while I do the mash. The mince. Let it heat up and come to temperature. So we add potatoes to the cold water and then get it boiled. So we're gonna get it nice, all nice and fluffy. You happy? Let's loosen it up. Okay, onions. Saute that just to soften them up a bit. And then we're gonna add some garlic. Stir it nicely. Tomato paste. Mix it in. See you cooking. A bit of the herbs and also fresh parsley. We're gonna have some Worcestershire sauce and we'll add in some water just to loosen everything up. So everything is just gonna mix in well and you won't have all of those burnt bits at the bottom. So now we're gonna add some BOVRIL to give it that rich flavor. Yeah, mix it in well. Let's add in the mince again. Stir it in. See, essentially, you're the one cooking this dish. How's that?
It's really satisfying.
Yeah, it is, ne? Yeah, Chef Katzo. Nice one. So let's do that. Ah, nice. Put in some flour just to bind it to make it nice and thick, ne? This is just to bring it together. While I check on these, boiling nicely. They should be getting soft soon. And then I'm gonna mash them up. The potatoes are looking good, all mashed up. So now we're gonna add in the cheese, the cream, the butter, make it all look nice and rich. Yeah, boo. Yeah. Add like half of that. The rest we're gonna add on top of the mash. So now we're gonna put on the mash. Makes it easier when we do it like this. Cheese. Now it's gonna go in the oven for 60 minutes. Ooh, look at that. That's nice, right? Crisp top. Lovely, ne? So, Princess Katzo. Yeah.
Well done, baby. Well done.